Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a super convenient way to transfer files from your mobile device to your PC without the hassle of using a USB cable. We'll be using a nifty app called WiFi FTP server, which allows us to establish a wireless connection between our mobile and PC. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Download and install WiFi FTP server. The first thing you'll need to do is download and install the WiFi FTP server app from your App Store/Play Store. Once it's installed, open the app. Step 2. Start the server. After opening the app, you'll see an option to start the FTP server. Tap on it, and you'll be provided with an FTP server address and a username. Step 3. Connect mobile and PC to the same network, hotspot. Make sure both your mobile and PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, which can be your mobile's hotspot. Step 4. Connect to the FTP server from your PC. Now, let's move over to your PC. Open your File Explorer and choose Add a Network Location. This will initiate the Add Network Location wizard. Step 5. Fill in the server details. In the wizard, select Choose a Custom Network Location and click Next. Then, paste the FTP server address you obtained from the WiFi FTP server app on your mobile. Click Next. Step 6. Provide login credentials. You'll be prompted to provide a server URL, username and password. You can use the ones displayed on the WiFi FTP server app. Click Next. Step 7. Choose a name for the network location. Give your network location a name that makes sense to you. Click Next. Step 8. Access your mobile files on PC. Once everything is set up, you'll see the new network location listed in your File Explorer. Open it, and you now have access to all the files on your mobile device right from your PC. And there you have it. Transferring files between your mobile and PC has never been easier, thanks to the WiFi FTP server app. No more fumbling with USB cables, just a seamless, wireless transfer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials.